50 cent coin, Finland. Finland's 50-cent coin has as its main motif the heraldic lion, reproduced from a drawing by sculptor Heikki Häiväoja. The heraldic lion has been used in several Finnish coins over the years, for example, in one brand coins between 1964 and 2001. Please subscribe the channel and help me bring more videos about numismatics and the world of coins. The coat of arms of Finland consists of a lion crowned in a red field, on a sword, the front paw replaced by an armored hand also brandishing a sword. Official only since 1978, the coat of arms was originally created around the year 1580. The common face of the 50-cent coins exhibit a geographical representation of Europe. The original design of the common face of Euro coins, by Luc Luycx, shows variations of the map of the European Union, on a background of parallel lines linking the 12 stars of the European Union flag. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.